We crossed paths in a moment too fragile. Timing wrong, but the feeling was true. We was brave in a world that reward armor, but bravery alone can't pull love through.
Me see a smile like a future unfinished, like a promised life wasn't ready to keep. Me wanted roots, but my road kept moving. So me memorize your face in my sleep.
Me tell myself love sometimes visit early, to teach the soul how deep it can go. Not every flame meant for stay burning. Some just show you the light before you go.
If this world couldn't hold we together, if
time refused to bend,
me not call it the end of love,
me call it not yet then. If I can't love you right in this life, if the stars don't line where we stand, I will carry your name through the darkness till I find you again. Understand, I will find you in my next life, when the weight of the past is gone, when we meet with light and shadows, and the heart don't have to run.
I felt you before I knew you, like a song I almost sang, like a dream that kept repeating, but slipped right through my hands.
I loved you in the quiet moments where no one else could see. I loved the man you were becoming, even when you couldn't stay with me.
I don't blame you for the leaving, or the way the door closed slow. Some love's a born emotion, not meant to sell it, just to grow.
But you left fingerprints on my spirit, you rewrote parts of my soul. And even now, in different seasons, I still feel you when I'm whole.
If this lifetime couldn't teach us how to stay without fear, maybe love is
Patient enough to wait beyond here. If I can't hold your hand right now, if fate won't let us stay, I will trust the universe remembers every word we couldn't say. I will find you in my next life, when my heart is less afraid, when loving you doesn't feel like choosing between survival and fate.
next life. Next life.
Next life.
My grandmother tell me soul travel forward, carry memory beyond flesh and bone. That true love never get lost in earth, it just change, just not gone.
So me now mourn this as a failure, me see it as sacred delay. Two spirits learning different lessons before they meet the same way.
Me hope in your other lifetime your love more easy than now. Me hope the world treats you gently, me hope you never forget how.
Love not expire, love not dead, it just sleep in the future till the past release it.